Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about how you can filter the stocks, the quality one, and you can make use of this time to invest in those stocks, because like due to the movement, like market is like FIIs is keep on selling, and you could find some good quality stocks that you can be investing at this right time, at the right price. But most of you wouldn't be able to get like how to select the stocks, right? So you might be confused. There are a lot of stocks, and how you can come up with the stocks that are cheaper. So this is completely based on some few fundamental scenarios. I couldn't say like it's complete fundamental analysis or something, but by using few things, like few components that we can check, and we can filter out those stocks from a website called Ticker Tape. So this can be done in any website that might be others would know, but I'm using the Ticker Tape. So I will tell you like based on what scenario I'm filtering the stock. So tickertape.in is the website. You could see the logo here and click on the screener, and you could see on the left side these are all the filters. On the right side is the result. So I would select. So this is like the strict disclaimer is like I'm not recommending this website, and also this is the stocks not recommended. So this is to like just give you the idea like from where you can filter out the stocks, and how you can filter the quality one, like the components, like which I am referring to is something which I am considering for my filtration, and you could do it in the better way if you know some other fundamentals better. So you can just have those filter added, and you can filter out those stocks. So it's completely a not recommendation. So let's get into the video and see this on the left side. What I do is, and now I am going to just select only the large cap stocks, and one more thing is P ratio. This is P ratio. What you know is price of earning, like this is computed based on the profit that company is making for each share. Okay, so preferably if you find something cheaper P, that is less P ratio in a good company, that is actually a good sign. The reason is they need to increase their profit in the upcoming quarterly results, so that their earnings would get increased, and that actually beneficiary for the investors. So that's the only reason we need to consider, and I'm selecting this low PE ratio and large. And one more thing is we like I'm to be safer, I'm not just going to filter out only on the Nifty 50 stocks. The reason is, on the worst case, there are many stocks that has low PE ratio, and if you invest, and the capital will be get wiped off, right? So that's the reason we can just concentrate, like I'm going to do only for the Nifty 50. If you are going to a specific sectorial selection, you can do it here. And so now I'm just filtering Nifty 50 with large cap and PE ratio and low. So it gives me these list of stocks. Okay, so it doesn't mean that all these are like the thing which you need to invest. What you can do is, see, for example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort it out the cheaper one, that is the Bharati Airtel, as the minus 31 as a PE ratio. So it has so many potential to increase in the future, and that could be the right, like this could be the right time as the market is coming down. So if you could see, there are some shares that comes under same sector. Okay, so make sure when you investing or do trading, so make sure compare between those stocks. If you see here, BPCL, IOC, and ONGC, so these comes under same sector, and you are getting multiple stocks. So you need to compare between these stocks, and you need to select the right one. You can compare with the technicals perspective also. So I could show one example where I can tell you like how you can do it in the technical perspective using a simple support and resistance. So let me consider Bharati Airtel. Okay, so if I click here, you can see on the left side the intrinsic value. The data is not available. Intrinsic value is something the value of the stock is high or low, like is that reasonable price or not. That should be the intrinsic value. There are some stocks where if you see their value is less than the intrinsic value, it means that it is lesser than the actual value, so you could buy. I will show you those example. And this is just returns of like the stock versus FD, and whether it is giving a dividend return and entry point, and is there any red flags map. So when it comes to forecasting and rating, see here, like analyst would have suggesting this to buy, and so don't go by that. It means that I'm just showing you that like it has been suggested. And if you see on the holding trend, like is that being like see mutual fund is holding since 3 months data they will be providing here. If you need to like detailed analysis, you need to go for the pro plan, but as of now you can see the 3 months they didn't pulled out any money from the Bharati Airtel, and the pledging is been low compared with other like other companies in the same sector, and promoters holding, all those things are there. And if you could come, if you could see the, let me show you the financial one. So here if you see there are few more highlighted things, like how the revenue has been generated compared with other peer companies in the same sector, and about the market share. If you see, like these are positives here, and the total revenues, you can see the recent result, and you can compare the yearly recent year of. If you see the P ratio and other things, right? So you could able to understand by few financial, you could it will take much time to explain these or everything, but you can just compare year on year, and you could see the improvement over the years and decide whether you can invest in this stock or not. It could be either a short term or long term, but still you need to have some analysis on this and come up with an idea. And this Bharati Airtel, why I'm taking considering now is see, like when Jio comes into the picture of telecommunication, and these people had lot many losses like since 2 years I think. And now they are in the place where they can fix the price, and everyone is actually increasing. When Bharati increases the price, Jio also increases, and Vodafone Idea also increased, right? So now I think it's their turn. I think they will be providing a less offers, and they will keep on increasing, and so to make some revenue out of it. So this could be the right time, and like as the PE ratio is less, right? So we can expect this PE ratio to increase when this PE, like when the earnings get increased, this PE ratio get increased, and that could actually reflect in the stock price also. So this is one. And see the technique, like other things I could say, Tata Motors also, the PE ratio is very less. And check whether is there any other negative like see the current price is more than the intrinsic value, so the current price of the stock is more than the actual valuation. So these things you can consider whether to avoid. On still, if you see this as like this is actually what you can say, this is value, even the stock 478 is actually capable for Tata Motors, so then you could take this one. See other analysts say like 77%, and you could see the recent news in the bottom, recent events, right, where you could find something that is published by the Tata Motors, like to the exchange. And yeah, like you can compare with the peers also, like with other companies in the same sector. See here, like Tata Motors, Bharati Suzuki, and Tata Motors. This is for DVR. They recently have separated, right? So this is one. And if you see the map, right, so how it is performing compared with the peer company. So based on this, you could decide whether you can go with Tata Motors or not on the sectorial wise. And holdings, it will show you like how many percentage mutual fund is holding, and other domestic institutions and FIAs and retailers, all those things. And you could see the increase. If you see some like increase in the mutual fund, I'm sure it is a good, because the reason is when mutual fund is increasing their participation in the specific stock, it means that the stock is performing well, and they are expecting the stock to be performed well in the future as well. So that's the reason you could see this. And You can see the other like promoters holdings and others as well, as you need. It's like I concentrate much on the mutual funds, so and then yeah, like this events and newses, you could see like various newses that is related to this stock. Next is let me okay, and one more thing is you could decide whether you need a dividend paying stock or not. So there are like you could see these oil companies, like these are all actually good dividend paying companies, but you could not see a capital appreciation. So you need to decide whether you need to go with these companies or not. Okay, for example, if you let me add one more filter called dividend. Where is the dividend? Let me search that. So you could see whether the dividend is see you could see the Bharat Petroleum and Indian Oil, Coal, and Power Grid. All these things are actually dividend paying stocks. So you may not be seeing a capital appreciation much compared with other companies, but it's up to you whether you are expecting a capital appreciation or you are expecting a dividend payout from those companies. Okay, based on that you can decide. So let me go to Hero Honda. So this is one company which I'm like keen watching in, and I'm ready to invest actually, because the reason is I will show you. This is the current value is actually cheaper because you can see the current price is lesser than the intrinsic value, and returns is more than FD. Okay, these we don't see much, but dividends is also good, and entry price, the stock is not in the overbought and there is no red flags. And if you see like the stock is less volatile, and if you see this is low risk and large capital, and if you come down you could see only 53 percentage, but I still consider buying it because the reason I will show you that on the technical standpoint. And if you see the increase in mutual fund holding, so the last 3 months the mutual fund companies is investing in this company, and they have increased their holding by 1.09. And if you see you can make use of this events as well. The example is, see here, recently they have published a note to a change regarding the press release. I will download this and show you. So this is the recent published press release, like it's just December 1. Okay, so if you see you can learn. I have read through already. So if you see, they have recently appointed a head in Hero MotoCorp Emerging. So like they are set to launch their first EV product by March 2022. So once the EV product is launched from Hero MotoCorp, then there could be a rise in their shares. So and if you see the person who they have appointed is like he was already worked in some reputed companies like Apple, Intel, and Ola Electric and Flipkart. So I'm sure he should be having some strategy that will be brought into the Hero Honda, and their business will go to the next level. So this complete notice regarding the electric vehicle, you can read through the complete press release if you need. And yeah, this is how you need to analyze the stock and do, like you need to look into all the factors what you could able to do. There are like, see, if you are able to understand some financial components, because I'm not good at those. So if you see these financial components also, the people used to compare and they will decide whether to take this or not. See this, the industry's growth is less and everything is decreasing. But what I could think is, if the EV comes in and due to the COVID, what the sales has been not much good, so that could be the reason. So it doesn't mean that if you see some red things, you need to understand why this has been shown here. If you see like why the revenue is not grown, and what by what situation it has not been, and what could be the future one, those things you need to understand. So like for example, Bharati Airtel, like it's not being doing well in the previous, and we could expect to be doing good in the future, right? So that's what. And yeah, this is all about. And see, one more thing is you can add a technical standpoint with So let me show you the Hero MotoCorp. Okay, so this is a technical chart of Hero MotoCorp, like price chart. I will show you some analysis what I have done. If you see, this is a weekly time frame, and you could see the price is trading around 2448. So initially what I thought is the stock could take a support at this point, because let me zoom it, because this could be a right place, right? So I thought it will take support here, but see what happened, it just breached and it comes down. So now what I see, without any confirmation on the technical perspective, if you are doing a technical analysis without confirmation, you should not do anything. So see, this is another important one which I marked. So if you let me change it to monthly also, so that you can get a better view. See, this is an resistant, and it took support here, and then it's coming to the same place. So I'm expecting at least Hero MotoCorp to take a support at this level, that is 2272, and it can reverse from this point. And that's what my analysis as of now. See, it could be right or wrong. We need to check when the prices reaches here. Like what I'm thinking is their announcement about the recent EV that actually comes now, right? So we could see bounce back in the month of Jan or Feb, because they would be announcing more about their strategies or something new about the EV a scooter or bike they are going to introduce that will actually rise. That's what I'm thinking. So let's see how it goes. So this is how you can just filter out the quality one, and you can analyze the each stocks. You can still add more filters, like whatever the fundamentals, based on that you can just add whatever you need, and you can just compare with you can filter out the stock, and you can choose the best one among those. So that's how you can do. So this is all about this video. So like if you don't know about some basic fundamentals, just go to the Google. Like if you just type what is intrinsic value, you could get it. So it's very simple. Okay, see, if I go in, see, this Investopedia is a good site where you can learn most of the terms about the technical terms, and also the strategies, what is mean by support and resistance, blah blah blah, everything will be here. You could understand completely. So that's how that's all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and kindly share with your friends and families who do trading and make use of this. Thanks everyone. We'll see you in the next video.